Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file archiving app on your Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to our Google Play Store, and from here start search for an app. Write RAR and hit the search button. Now select this app and we can install it. After installation process is complete, we can open it, and here it will ask us to give it all file access permission. So now select RAR and allow all file access. If we go back to our app and dismiss notification, it will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.